Hey everybody, what's up? I want you to stay and check out this video I made for you guys today. I'm pretty excited because what I did was I put together three different options of, you could call them tripod slash phone holders for you guys to consider, especially right now around the holiday season at three different price points. So grab your popcorn, grab your grape juice, check out what I've got lined up for you guys today. Another Spigen product for you guys, okay? This one is going to be in particular the Spigen Nano Pop Silicone Phone Holder. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flash on the screen right now. You can find this on Spigen's website directly. I actually couldn't find this on Amazon, so it could have been user error. Just could have been me not being able to find it. But I had to go to Spigen's website. Again, that's going to be $17.99 on their website as of the day after Cyber Monday. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's see what we get. Looks like you are going to have some plastic on either side to keep that closed. So just remember that. I'm kind of strong arming this. Then when you pull that open, it's not going to be anything super complicated, right? It's just a pop holder. So you've got normal inside plastic that this just fell out of. So super simplistic. Right here on the back, you are going to have a silicone feeling texture on the back on this part right here. Then on the front, you've got a little plastic protector on there. So I'm going to go ahead and peel that off. Take a look around real quick. It's nothing too complicated, right? It's just a pop-out silicone thing that's going to be good for holding your phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in two different phones. I'm going to bring in my iPhone and my Android because I want you guys to see kind of what to expect for each of these different devices. Okay, so let's bring in the Android first. Let's see how it fits on there. Now I did make sure to have a MagSafe compatible back. Pops on. You guys heard how strong that thunk was when it got on there. So it's really strong. Okay, when you get it on there, you guys can see it is a very, very strong fit on there with the magnetic. But let's take a look at the capabilities. And then also as an added bonus, guys, I'm going to bring in some other options that I really like and I use pretty much. I switch them out all the time. Just to give you guys a well-rounded idea of different options that are available at different price points. But let's continue with this Spigen one. So of course, you've got the ability to hold it on your finger like you guys see. It also has the ability to put that ring out, use it as a stand, as you guys see right here, to watch your shows. It doesn't necessarily have the ability, you could technically like put it like this if you wanted to kind of like have it lean down at an angle to watch something. So looks like it's got, good capability as far as, again, being able to hold your phone, use it, and also have a little bit of a kickstand. So you are going to be able to go, what is this? Horizontal when you're watching your shows or using your phone with this kickstand. So again, $17.99 for this. I can tell you guys, again, the feel on it is really actually pretty good. It's got this nice soft silicone texture on the outer part of the ring. This ring part, it depends on how delicate your hands are. It is metal, or it's metal feeling. So it could potentially, for someone that's a little bit, got more sensitive hands, this part could mess with your hand or your finger rather. So just keep that in mind. But all in all, I think this is actually a really good little ring slash vertical kickstand for your phone, especially at 18 bucks. But let's do a couple of other tests. Let's bring in the iPhone. And then of course, we're expecting some more of the same, right? So on there, strong magnets. And you're gonna have that horizontal capability on that as well. So just as a comparison, let me share with you guys a couple of other options that are available to you that I would like to put in the gambit along with this Nano Pop Mag Fit from Spigen. Now the other one I want to show you guys is going to be the option from one of my favorite bands. This was bands. Talk like I'm talking about a concert or something around here, y'all. It's gonna be from one of my favorite brands right here, Camolo Geek Store. And this is gonna be more of a tripod. So this is bulkier. So the Spigen one is more for the minimal person, right? If you wanna hold your phone horizontally, or sorry, you wanna use it as a horizontal kickstand or just as a hand grip, Spigen is perfect for you. If you wanna set your phone up and have multiple angles, multiple options, that's where this tripod from Camolo Geek Store is going to come in more, because with this I can go horizontal, like you guys can see right here. I could go horizontal. I could turn this around this way. I could go vertical. If you wanted to, you could actually use this one also as a handheld. So you guys see right here in the screen, I can use this as a handheld down here to be able to film stuff kind of at a distance, right? So that's gonna be the versatility. Now this is gonna be more expensive, right? So the Spigen was 18 bucks. This Camolo Geek Store tripod right here is gonna be $29, basically 30 bucks on Amazon. Let me show you how it fits on the Android. Same thing, super strong magnets, same capabilities. You'll be able to do vertical, horizontal. This has a lot of flexibility with it. So again, this is one for if you want to spend 30 bucks and you want a tripod and you want to have that handheld kind of at a distance capability. So this was another option for you guys. Let me bring in my last one that I really like to use, and I use this a whole lot when I go out to a restaurant. If I want to watch a little show, use it. This is going to be from Moft right here. So this is a Moft tripod stand, selfie stick. It's kind of the same stuff, just in a different package here. So this is going to basically fit on the back right here of any MagSafe or Cheat 2.0 compatible case. You're gonna have the ability to use it as a vertical stand right here. This, I'm gonna tell you guys, the hinge makes it a little bit more rigid, so you gotta kind of force it to go where you want it to go. Vertical. Horizontal, so I'll show you guys from the side, horizontal, vertical, and this actually, when you put it like this, you can extend it out to a higher tripod. You guys can see that right there, tripod version. And then you could do the same, right? Vertical, or you could go horizontal with this. So this is the one that I will tell you that the other two don't do. Because of this square design, I did want to point this out particularly if you're going to use this with a S25 Ultra or any Samsung device. You know, the cameras are set up like this, 3 long ways or 3 tall. Just be mindful that this square design is going to put this Moft tripod. Now I tested it with the cameras. This tripod doesn't show up, but if you guys can see right there, it is going to go a little bit into your camera bump area. So if that bothers you, just keep that in mind if you're trying to buy this for an Android. iPhone, you don't have to worry about that at all, okay? So you can see right here with an iPhone, goes on simple. It's not a worry about it interfering with any of your cameras, no matter if it is vertical or horizontal. So you don't have to worry about that. Vertical, horizontal, no interference with your iPhone. So again, guys, I'm not even sure how long this video went, but I just wanted to show you 3 of my favorite picks. So I'm gonna do this as a dual purpose, show you the unboxing for that Spigen NanoPop MagFit holder, but also show you 3 different options at 3 different price points that are out there in the wild for you. So just to go through and review real quick as we close out, guys, Spigen's gonna come in at $17.99 right now on their website directly from Spigen. This Moft tripod stand on Amazon is gonna come up at $39.99 right now as of the 2nd of December. And then the Camolo Geek Store, or Camolo Geek tripod right here is $29.74 to be exact on their website right now. Oh, I'm sorry, on Amazon rather right now. So 3 different options. Cheapest, $17.99. Let me move these, switch these around, cheapest to highest. So cheapest is $17.99. right here. Then you've got your $29.99 right here for the Camolo. And then of course you've got the Moft at $39.99. So 20, 30, 40 bucks. So it depends on what your price point is, what you want to spend. I'm gonna link all three of these in the channel description, guys, right there. Do me a huge favor, especially if you're thinking about considering purchasing these for the holidays. Use my links in my channel description. No additional cost to you, but helps me out a ton. Really appreciate you guys. Thank you for helping my channel just absolutely grow. Everything is based on my subscribers and my viewers, so thank you so much, guys. Take the time while you watch this video, hopefully up to this point, like, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to know, just based on the information I gave you, which one would you pick out of the three? Would you go for the kind of cheaper, more minimal option? This is very minimal, very small fingerprint, or footprint rather. Or would you prefer something a little bit bulkier, a little bit more versatile? Thanks, guys. Appreciate you so much. This is Bobby G, and I'm out. Peace.